Hey, it's Harry, and I asked for a bicycle when my mom was too cheap to get me one, so she got me this barrel. It's really cool. I'm gonna take it for a test run.
Oh, Harry must not be using this barrel. I'll just take it back to the trash compactor. Oh, I can't close the door. The barrel's too big. Let's see one.
Ow!
One, go.
I really like the barrel, but it now stinks because I buffed in it. So, bye.